Today, I'm going to show you how to register a Yupoo account quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to yupoo.com. Click on the sign up button or register, which is located on the top right corner of your browser. After clicking here, simply all you need to do is to fulfill these informations. So here put a username. I'm going to put this one, example, video. Here, if it is bad, then I can add something else. It should be limited to lowercase letters. Okay, so you should change these ones to lowercase, as you can see. Here for the email, I'm going to copy my email. And for the password, I'm just going to write down a new password that is strong. Here we go. And as you can see now, please hold down the slider and drag it to the far right. And then we could click on register. Here we need a Chinese account or number. So simply, if you have a Chinese number, put it right here and then slide this to the right. Once it is done, you will receive a verification code on your number. Just type it here and click on send. If you don't have a phone number, then simply click on any website that provides a phone number and put here a phone number of Chinese, or it should be a Chinese one, and then put here the verification code. And then once you click on send, click on buy mobile phone, and just like that, your Yupoo account should be created and ready to go.